How to fix Snapchat sign up problem. So if you wanna make a new account on Snapchat but you can't, so this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. So let's wait. Scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find the Snapchat app, now click on data usage right here. Go to those network access options. Disable all these options and enable them back again. And then go back, click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. Go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless and networks and go to the airplane mode. Enable it for 4 seconds and disable it. And then reopen Snapchat and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.